Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to introduce you to a very useful plugin for x64DBG, which is called xAnalyzer. xAnalyzer is a plugin for x86 or x64DBG, and it is capable of doing various types of analysis over the static code of the debug application. So it is useful for static code analysis. It is able to do things like identify the function that are being used and its parameters. Let's take a look. Before using xAnalyzer, your code might look like this. But using the xAnalyzer plugin, your code will be analyzed and you'll be able to view it in a more human-readable format with the function call as well as the parameters that are being used for the function call. And I will show you how to download and install. So to download here, you can click on the download here for the latest binaries, or you can click on this link here, packages 19 releases. And here is the latest release. So you need to download these 3 files, 1, 2 and 3. So go ahead and click on it to download. So now you have 3 files. So you need to copy these files to the plugins directory of your x64DBG. So your x64DBG is in x64DBG folder of your C drive, and open the release folder, and inside x32 you have a plugins folder. So open the plugins folder. I have earlier installed it, so I'm going to delete this and do again to show you how it's done. So what you need to do is, for the x32 you need to copy this and this and paste it in here, and then unzip this, extract, and then inside here you have all this. Then repeat the same thing for the x64. Select the plugins folder, and I'm going to delete this as well because I had done it earlier already and I want to show you how to do it. So now what you do is, this is x64, so you choose this and this, copy and paste it in the plugins, and then unzip this, extract. Now that you have done that, you can close it, and now we can test it out. So this is the link. I will put this in the resource section for you to download the link. And also now let's give it a try. Let's open one of our earlier programs, our earlier crack maze. Let's say I go to my crack maze and I take crack maze 1. So I open this with x64 DBG, and now I want to configure my plugin. You can go to your plugins menu, select xAnalyzer, and over here click on automatic analysis, plugins one more time, click on analyze undefined functions. Then the rest, don't change anything. Clear previous data, leave it as it is, the default. Just check first, third and fourth. Do not check number 2. Number 2 is still buggy, and I advise you not to use this number 2. So just use 1, 3 and 4 for the time being. So let's see what it does. So now we restart the program, and then try to scroll down and see the difference. Here you can see this is the argument for this call. So this argument refers to this This call refers to this. Alright, let's scroll down some more. And you can see here, this is a function call and this is a parameter coming from here. And at the side you can even see the blocks. Each of these block belongs to one subroutine. Here's another one, another block. The return. Start from here and then here the return. One block. And as you go down you can see it's very user friendly. It converts all the all these mnemonics into easily readable text. I keep on scrolling down as you can see. And not only that, you also have this additional arrow here telling you that this is a jump from somewhere. You can see something lands here. So whenever you see a indentation arrow like this, you know that something is referring to this address. And you click on it, you can see the arrow there. So this is very handy to find out who is referring to this address whenever you see this. So very handy. This helps a lot in the debugging. So this is a kind of analysis that this xAnalyzer can do for you. Let's try another one. Let us open another CrackMe. And then here, let's restart. And you can see here, these are unknown functions. They are not window API calls, but still it is able to analyze the arguments. So this is all for this video. This is how you install the xAnalyzer plugin for x64DBG. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.